Getting rid of smelly shoes is one of the best things you can do for your feet. If your shoes stink, it can be annoying as well as embarrassing for you, especially when you are surrounded by a lot of people. Neither can you take them off around people, nor can you wear them. But don't worry, because there are some simple effective tricks that you can try to get rid of bad odor from your shoes. Plus these tricks are dirt cheap too. Furthermore, wearing clean shoes will also reduce your chances of contracting nasty infections and prevent fungus or bad bacterial overgrowths. It'll also help your feet breathe comfortably and stay relaxed, making your walks and runs much more pleasant. How to get rid of smell from your shoes. Nobody likes to hear nasty comments about their feet being stinky or shoes smelling like a skunk. If your shoes are smelling bad, try these top 3 remedies. Number 1. Use baking soda. Get a coffee filter, a few teaspoons of baking soda, a few drops of essential oils, and a rubber hand. Pour the baking soda and essential oils into the filter and tie it up tightly with the rubber band. Put a sachet of this blend inside your shoes and leave that overnight. It does the trick and helps get rid of stinky shoes. Number 2. Freeze your shoes. Put them in the freezer or outside. While this sounds like an unusual method, putting your shoes in the freezer is a highly effective way to kill the bacteria that cause shoe odors. The bacteria is no match for the extreme cold. Before you just toss your shoes into the freezer, it's best to put them in a plastic bag first so you don't contaminate your freezer and its contents. Leave the shoes inside overnight, then intake them out and let them thaw a bit before wearing. Number 3. Use rubbing alcohol. Rubbing alcohol is another popular way to freshen up stinky shoes. You take a spray bottle and fill it up with equal parts of water and rubbing alcohol. Spray this solution in your shoes and place them in a well-ventilated area. The alcohol will get rid of the bacteria while the ventilation will prevent moisture buildup and get rid of foul odor.